Hi everyone, how are you? Today I bring for you a very amazing and stylish designs. So how to design your pant? There is when your zip is out, so you can apply this chain. This is a button idea. Oh my god. There is a beautiful and stylish amazing ideas in my channel. You can see this type of pants in this type of idea. So every time I bring for you, inshallah ta'ala, a new ideas of your sewing. How to take your button in this way. There are so many tutorials available in my channel. So if you are newly in my channel, so please subscribe my channel. This is an also amazing idea of your jeans if your jeans is loose. First of all, you can take it calm. This is also a very good idea of your jeans when your jeans is loose. So I hope that you like my today video because all the type of ideas are available in my channel fashion store. So don't skip the video. Video is going on to be continued. This is an amazing hack. This is also an amazing hack. A beautiful and stylish idea of your jeans. This is also an amazing idea, but your needle hole is big. When your jeans is too much not fitted, cut your jeans this types of when you're going to be with a style. Amazing ideas are available. So I hope that you like my today video. Tell me in the comment section. This is also very amazing idea with beautiful and stylish. This is also an amazing idea with your zip style. So how was today video? There is too much ideas available. I hope that you like it, and if you like